Setting up your RV for the first time can be both exciting and overwhelming. For newbies, it's easy to overlook key details that can lead to frustrating or even costly mistakes down the road. From improper leveling to skipping essential safety checks, these common oversights can turn your dream trip into a logistical headache. Trust me, knowing these could save your trip, your wallet, and maybe even your relationship. So buckle up because this ride's about to get real. You wouldn't fly a plane without training, right? Same goes for your RV. Driving these beasts is a whole different ballgame. Start in an empty parking lot. Practice turning, backing up, and parking. Get a feel for your RV's size and how it handles. Remember, it's not just about going forward. You need to master tight turns and reversing, too. Take it slow. Build your confidence before you hit busy roads or campgrounds. This practice will pay off big time when you're navigating tight spots or dealing with traffic. Don't forget to practice with your specific RV setup. If you're towing a trailer, get comfortable with how it affects your turning radius and stopping distance. For motorhomes, practice using your side mirrors and backup camera if you have one. Consider taking an RV driving course. Many RV dealerships and camping organizations offer these. They can teach you valuable skills and boost your confidence behind the wheel. Now, your RV isn't a bottomless pit. It has weight limits for a reason. Ignore them and you're asking for trouble. Overloading puts stress on your tires, axles, and suspension. It can lead to blowouts, poor handling, and even accidents. Plus, it kills your fuel efficiency. Know your RV's gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, and stick to it. This includes everything: water, fuel, gear, and passengers. Use truck stops with scales to check your weight. It's better to leave some stuff behind than risk a dangerous situation on the road. And remember, weight distribution matters too. Uneven loading can make your RV unstable and harder to control. Try to spread the weight evenly, keeping heavier items low and centered. And don't forget about your vehicle's towing capacity if you're using a trailer. Just because your truck can physically pull the trailer doesn't mean it's safe to do so. Check your vehicle's manual for the correct towing capacity. Now, showing up at a campground without a reservation is like playing RV roulette. You might get lucky, or you might end up spending the night in a Walmart parking lot. Always book ahead, especially during peak seasons. Research campgrounds thoroughly. Check reviews, amenities, and site sizes. Make sure they can accommodate your RV's length and hookup needs. Don't forget to consider the location either. Is it close to the attractions you want to see? Is it noisy or peaceful? A little homework goes a long way in ensuring a great camping experience. Look into the campground's policies too. Some have strict rules about pets, quiet hours, or campfires. Knowing these in advance can prevent unpleasant surprises. Consider the type of camping experience you want. Some campgrounds are more like resorts with pools and activities, while others offer a more rustic experience. Choose what fits your style. If you're new to RVing, you might want to start with campgrounds that offer full hookups and staff who can assist you if needed. As you gain experience, you can venture into more remote or less equipped sites. Okay, now RVs are thirsty beasts. Many first-timers get sticker shock at the pump. Plan your fuel budget carefully. RVs typically get 6 to 10 miles per gallon, sometimes less, during the current gas prices and the distance you'll be traveling. Remember, it's not just about getting to your destination. You'll need fuel for day trips and running your generator too. Use apps like GasBuddy to find the best fuel prices along your route. Consider carrying a gas can for emergencies. Running out of fuel in an RV is no joke. Keep in mind that your fuel efficiency can vary based on factors like wind resistance, terrain, and how heavily you've loaded your RV. Plan for worse fuel economy than you expect, and you'll likely end up pleasantly surprised. If you're towing, remember that your tow vehicle's fuel efficiency will decrease significantly. Factor this into your calculations. Consider planning your route to avoid steep grades or high-traffic areas where you'll burn more fuel. Sometimes a slightly longer route can actually save you money on gas. Okay, setting up your RV isn't rocket science, but it's not child's play either. Mistakes here can lead to damaged equipment or an uncomfortable stay. Always level your RV before extending slide-outs. Use a bubble level and leveling blocks. An unlevel RV can cause doors to stick, refrigerators to malfunction, and even affect your sleep. Be careful with hookups too. Use a water pressure regulator to protect your plumbing. Make sure you're connected to the right amp service for your RV. And always use a surge protector to safeguard your electrical system. When setting up, follow a consistent routine. Start with leveling, then move on to hookups, and finish with your awning and outdoor setup. This helps ensure you don't forget any crucial steps. Pay attention to your surroundings when setting up as well. Look for low-hanging branches that could damage your roof or slide-outs. If you're using stabilizer jacks, remember they're for stabilizing, not leveling. Trying to level with your jacks can damage your RV's frame. Remember, your RV is your home on wheels. Treat it right and it'll return the favor. Neglect it, and you're in for a world of hurt. Check your tire pressure before every trip. Inspect your brakes regularly. Keep an eye on fluid levels. Don't forget about your batteries. They need love too. Create a maintenance schedule and stick to it. It might seem like a hassle, but it's nothing compared to breaking down in the middle of nowhere. Regular maintenance isn't just about mechanical parts either. Check your roof seals and window caulking to prevent water damage. Lubricate moving parts like slide-out mechanisms and leveling jacks. Don't ignore small issues. That tiny leak or strange noise could turn into a major problem if left unchecked. Address problems as soon as you notice them. And consider keeping a maintenance log. This can help you track when you last performed certain tasks and when they're due again. It's also valuable if you ever decide to sell your RV. So, your RV has multiple systems: electrical, water, propane, and sewage. Understanding how they work is crucial. Learn how to use your control panel. Know where your fuse box is and how to reset breakers. Familiarize yourself with your water pump and how to winterize your system. And let's just talk about the elephant in the room: the black tank. Learn properly how to dump and clean it. Trust me, you don't want to mess this up. Take the time to read your RV's manual too. It contains valuable information about your specific model's systems and how to troubleshoot common issues. Understand the differences between your RV's power sources. Know when to use shore power, your battery, or your generator. And learn how to conserve power when boondocking. Practice using all your systems before your first big trip. This includes things like your awning, slide-outs, and leveling system if you have one. You don't want to be figuring these out for the first time at a crowded campground. Finding the right balance is key. Literally, overpacking adds unnecessary weight and clutter. Underpacking leaves you without essentials. Make a list of must-haves. Include tools, spare parts, and emergency supplies. But be ruthless about extras. Do you really need 3 different coffee makers? Remember, you can usually buy what you need on the road. It's better to start light and add as needed than to overload from the get-go. Consider multi-use items to save space. For example, a Dutch oven can be used for cooking on the stove, in the oven, or over a campfire. Pack clothes that can be layered for different weather conditions. This saves space and keeps you prepared for temperature changes. Don't forget outdoor gear like camp chairs, a table, and equipment for activities you enjoy. But be realistic about what you'll actually use. As you travel, keep track of what you use and what stays packed away. After a few trips, you'll have a better idea of what you really need. Okay guys, Mother Nature doesn't care about your vacation plans. Failing to prepare for weather can ruin your trip. Check the forecast for your entire route and destination. Pack appropriate clothing and gear. Know how to use your RV's heating and cooling systems. Have a plan for severe weather as well. Know where to find shelter if a storm hits. And never, ever ignore evacuation orders. Remember that weather can affect road conditions. Heavy rain can cause flooding and high winds can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles like RVs. In hot weather, be prepared to deal with your RV's greenhouse effect. Use window coverings and consider investing in a portable fan or two. Believe me, RVs have a knack for breaking down at the worst possible moment. Being prepared can save your trip. Carry essential spare parts like fuses, belts, and hoses. Know how to change a tire. Keep a basic toolkit on hand. Consider joining an RV roadside assistance program. It's cheap insurance for peace of mind. Some other useful spares to consider: light bulbs, wiper blades, and a spare water pump. These are relatively inexpensive and can be real lifesavers. Don't forget about your tow vehicle if you have one either. Carry any necessary spares for it as well. And keep a record of your RV's specific part numbers for things like filters and belts. This makes it easier to find the right replacements if needed. In the excitement of hitting the road, it's easy to forget crucial steps. That's where a checklist comes in handy. Create a pre-departure checklist. Include things like securing loose items, retracting awnings and slide-outs, disconnecting hookups, and checking your tow connection. Use the checklist every single time. No exceptions. It only takes one forgotten step to cause a disaster. Consider having separate checklists for different scenarios, one for setting up camp, one for breaking camp, one for winterizing, etc. Keep your checklist somewhere easily accessible. Some RVers like to laminate their list and keep it on a lanyard. Review and update your checklist regularly. As you gain experience, you might find new items to add or realize some aren't necessary. Don't rush through your checklist. Take your time and physically check off each item as you go. It's better to spend an extra few minutes on your list than to damage your RV or leave something important behind. So, GPS is great, but it's not infallible. Blindly following it can lead you into trouble. Remember, most GPS systems don't know you're driving an RV. They might route you down narrow roads or under low bridges. Always check your route beforehand. Use RV-specific GPS apps or atlases. And don't be afraid to ask locals for advice on the best routes. Consider investing in an RV-specific GPS unit. These take into account your RV's height and weight when planning routes. However, even with an RV GPS, always be aware of your surroundings. Watch for signs indicating weight limits, low clearances, or roads not suitable for RVs. Have a backup navigation method. Physical maps or a road atlas can be lifesavers if your GPS loses signal or malfunctions. If possible, have a passenger help with navigation. They can look ahead for potential issues and help make routing decisions. So, height matters when you're driving an RV. Forgetting this can lead to costly and dangerous mistakes. Know your RV's exact height, including AC units and antennas. Always check for low bridges or overpasses on your route. And when in doubt, find an alternate route. It's better to add a few miles to your trip than to peel the roof off your RV. Keep your RV's height written down somewhere easily visible while driving. Some RVers put a sticker with the height on their dashboard. Be especially cautious in areas with lots of trees. Low-hanging branches can cause significant damage to your RV's roof. Remember that your RV's height can change too. If you add a satellite dish or cargo box to the roof, make sure to update your height measurements. And when entering parking garages or drive-thrus, always check the clearance. Even if you think you'll fit, it's better to be safe than sorry. Driving an RV isn't like driving a car. Everything takes longer. Plan for frequent stops. You'll need to refuel more often. Factor in time for rest breaks and meals. Remember, fatigue sets in faster when driving an RV. A good rule of thumb is to plan no more than 300 to 400 miles per day. It's about the journey, not just the destination. Be realistic about your travel speed. You'll likely be driving slower than the speed limit, especially on highways or in mountainous areas. Factor in time as well for setting up and breaking down camp. This can easily add an hour or more to each end of your travel day. Don't try to stick to a rigid schedule. RV travel is unpredictable. Leave room for unexpected delays or interesting detours. Consider planning a rest day after every few days of travel as well. This gives you time to recharge, do laundry, and perform any necessary maintenance. Okay guys, unexpected repairs are part of RV life. Failing to budget for them can derail your trip and your finances. Set aside an emergency fund for repairs. A good starting point is 10% of your RV's value. Learn basic troubleshooting and repairs, but know your limits. Some jobs are best left to the professionals. Keep a list of reputable RV repair shops along your route. It's better to have this information before you need it. Consider purchasing an extended warranty for your RV. While it's an upfront cost, it can save you money in the long run. Remember that preventative maintenance can help reduce the likelihood of major repairs later. Don't skip on regular servicing to save money. It often costs more in the long run. Keep receipts and records of all repairs and maintenance. This helps you track expenses and can be valuable if you ever sell your RV. Hitting the road in an RV is the ultimate adventure, but without the right gadgets, your trip can quickly become stressful. Essential tools like a reliable GPS, tire pressure monitoring system, and portable power banks aren't just nice to have, they're crucial for your safety and convenience. Forgetting these items can leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere, disconnected from the world, or facing a breakdown without the right tools to handle it. For example, a GPS that loses signal in remote areas can lead to hours of frustration, while lacking a tire repair kit could turn a simple flat into a major detour. Gadgets like portable Wi-Fi hotspots ensure you stay connected no matter where you are, and backup batteries provide the power you need in emergencies. Check out the link in the description for all our top gadget picks that every RVer needs to avoid any mishaps. As you gear up for your next RV expedition, keep in mind that every trip is a chance to learn and grow. The real secret is spotting those rookie mistakes and tweaking your approach to suit your style. Want to discover how to overcome common roadblocks and make the most of your RV life? Be sure to watch this video for more tips. Until then, stay curious, stay prepared, and keep the open road calling.